TechJockey.com. I am Ria.
And I'm Simran, and this is the 6th episode of Tea Time with Tech Jockey.
And today we are going to discuss how you can get back in business after India eases its lockdown.
With the new work from home culture, people are coming up with new ways to deliver sustainable results from home.
And then there are new recipes to try every other day and online shows to binge watch with enough time at your disposal.
Well, that's just perfect, isn't it?
But sadly, this is just one side of the story, guys. On the other side, it is predicted that India is likely to have a growth rate of just 0% in 2020 with a huge loss of $235 billion.
That is crazy.
But every cloud has a silver lining.
Yeah, I heard Wipro is opening its offices in Kochi with all the social distancing norms in place.
Yes, even HCL and SAP are quickly adopting new social distancing measures to resume the work from office culture.
While SAP is taking different safety measures such as flexible lunch hours and increase in the transportation fleet, HCL is ensuring all sanitation measures in order to ensure a safe work environment as India eases lockdown.
But there are going to be a lot of challenges to get back to work again.
Of course, there are so many issues that need to be addressed, like getting raw materials on time if the supply chain is impacted due to shortage of labor.
Having adequate workers for different processes, as most of them have migrated to their native places.
Of course, upskilling the workforce as automation is going to become a part of the social distancing norms.
Managing the overall cost with strategical changes in the workplace and investment in many new automation technologies.
Companies depending on import supplies may have to look for alternatives in the local market.
And then there are small scale suppliers who have incurred a major loss during this lockdown, and they may not be able to bounce back as soon as the demand would go up in the market.
Ria, what do you think should be the next big business plan post lockdown?
The first thing that all businesses should do is to get approval from the local authorities to start their factories again. Then create a plan to resume work with the skeletal staff, and lastly, they should adopt all social distancing norms as one case of coronavirus detected and your entire factory would be sealed for days and months to come.
Now, here are 5 steps businesses can take once they resume work post lockdown. Step number 1, welcome back employees in phases. For this, keep in mind that only minimum number of employees should work from office.
Plan out which teams need to come back to the office urgently. The rest can work from home for a while.
Avoid crowding at work because that will violate the social distancing norms.
Create a detailed plan for calling in your support staff. You will not need all of them at once, so bring them back in phased manner.
Step number 2 would be to adopt smart social distancing practices.
The seating arrangement should be such that employees sit at the distance of more than 2 meters from each other.
Flexible lunch hours to avoid gathering and food sharing.
Of course. And employees working in shifts will help prevent crowding of your workplace.
Step number 3, virtual communication is the key.
Avoid non-essential visitors in the office and encourage meetings through video calls.
Any meeting or brainstorming session with 10 people or more can be easily replaced by a web conference.
Internal communications can be promoted through tools like Microsoft Teams, Hangouts, etc. to maintain physical distance.
Step number 4, reduce the dependency on public transport.
This is very important. Arrange vehicles for your employees depending upon your budget.
Those with two-wheelers can drive themselves to work.
Promote carpooling with one person sitting at the back.
If your office falls in the orange or the green zone, then your employees can take the cabs as well.
Step number 5. Ensure proper health and hygiene of your employees.
Wear your masks, wash your hands, sanitize. Make sure that there is enough sanitizer supply in your office.
As an employer, make thermal screening mandatory for your employees every single day.
In case of an emergency, know where the nearest COVID hospital is so that your employees can go and get themselves checked.
And the last and final most essential step, use Arogya Setu app.
Yes, please ask your employees to download the Arogya Setu app.
And ensure that their Bluetooth is switched on, as it is mandatory to use this app's feature efficiently.
In case of an emergency, take immediate steps to ensure the isolation of the affected person.
The need of the hour is smart social distancing. But will this be possible in India? We are hopeful indeed.
We hope that the best of 2020 is yet to come as India eases lockdown.
That's it for this video, guys. We will see you super soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe. If you need any kind of guidance about which software you should use for efficient remote working, connect with techjockey.com and we will be happy to help you. Our contact details are displayed on the screen here.